Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So looking forward to make your picks trending, then this is the right time. Before starting the video, I will request you to participate in the Paytm cash giveaway. So the rules to participate is subscribe, like and comment your Paytm number in the description in the comment box. So as you can see, this is our channel Wallet Earning, which is having 180 subscribers. You can also join, link in description. As you can see, every day there will be like Paytm cash giveaway held in here, and many channels and many earning apps video will be uploaded here before the YouTube. So as you can see, many QR code have been held. Paytm cash giveaway, this is a QR code, and many Paytm cash, and this is the proof of the payment proof I have done for the QR code winners. So please join our Telegram channel so that you can also win the win in Paytm cash giveaway. The channel link is in the description. Click right below now. So guys, I request you again to join our channel and participate in the Paytm cash giveaway.
So hello guys, welcome to our channel. So once again here I'm today to show you how to create your own cartoon character portrait, which is trending now on Instagram, WhatsApp and other social media guys. So if you are trying to create them, so most oftenly many have been asked me to make a video on this. So guys, it's a very easy step. I will show you how to create, and you can see like this, that's it. So you can create guys like this, same as my pic has been edited. So it's just of a 2-3 step guys. So I will show you how. Just go to the Play Store, or I will give you the link in the description. So you will see when you type here toon app. Okay guys, its name is toon app. So just click on and search on, and you will get 4.1 rating toon app AI cartoon photo editor. So just install them. Okay guys, so let it get installed. It's installing guys, by then you will see. So here you can guys, it's been installed. It's in 80% has been over, and it will not be. Yeah guys, it's installing and it's been done. So let's open. Very easy step guys. Please like and subscribe if you want more videos like this guys. So let's open this. So see guys, you can create your own portrait cartoon yourself by one tap. Toon app weekly new content. Toon app amazing cartoon backgrounds. Toon app best AI cartoon maker guys. It has been awarded also. So let's click on no. We don't need a app. So let's click on the into mark, cut the advertise and press allow. So it's analyzing the face guys. So click on here, I will put like this, and I will press OK. So now it's scanning and creating a cartoon of my face. So here you can also create like this guys, very easy and within 2 steps guys. So it has been created, you can see. So let's click on the skip. Don't click on the continue because it's a paid app version. So let's so cut the app here, and if you wanna create, let's say you guys you can see like, there are many characters like this also guys, like like many you have. If this background changes, so let's nothing this. Let's create our own cartoon which is trending on the YouTube. So let's just put like this, and now let's erase of our. Okay guys, so let's erase other background. Yes, I am getting done, and I put apply. So let's click it here, and let's shoot it like here guys. So I will little crop my head because my pic is not full now, and it looks little awkward. So let it be guys. I will put like this itself, and let's click, and you guys, you shoot your head for the size. And here guys, you can see as I have another character, another. So here's the guys, it's very beautiful. And here footballer, and another, let's see, Superman. See guys, musician, again Superman, and let's click on this cricketer. So by this guys, there are many. You can set your head and just for example, I will click for this, or I need any other. Let's see guys. Don't need this. So let's see other. So yeah, I think it's okay. No. Yeah guys, it's better I think. So tilt your head, okay, on head. Tilt your head and just click on apply and press on get high quality. So wait for a minute, and here you can see a arrow mark in the upper right corner. So click on that. So you press on the skip button guys, and you have been saved. Click on the save button, and here you can go back, quit the app. Okay, quit the app guys. Now you can see in the gallery. When I come to the gallery, I will show you guys. See guys, toon app, it has been created very easily. So guys, that's all for today, and the rules for participating in the giveaway is just click on the subscribe button, like button, comment, and put your paytm number. So guys, in the next video I will declare the paytm giveaway winners. So guys, till then, take care, bye bye.